Guided meditation is great for the over-anxious brain because you don't have to sit still or quiet your mind. All you have to do is just sit or lay down and listen to someone tell you to relax or visualize. It's very simple yet very powerful. Guided meditation teaches your muscles to relax and let go. If meditation doesn't work for you, then pray, or just breathe by counting in 4 and counting out 4. Or you can just simply practice gratitude. For today, I'll do a simple muscle relaxation meditation. If you want to follow along, make sure you're sitting or laying down in a comfortable position. Get a pillow for your back, legs, or head if you need it. Just close your eyes and follow along. To begin with, allow yourself to get comfortable. Take in a nice big deep breath, and as you release it, imagine the tension beginning to leave your body. Take in another deep breath, and now with your eyes closed, focus your attention at the top of your head. Imagine that there's an opening in the top of your head, and above you there's a beautiful ball of light. That light can be any color you choose, knowing that it represents the most calming and peaceful energy. That light is beginning to shift and move almost as if it were liquid. Imagine that liquid relaxation is now spreading down through that opening and continuing down through your body, down through every nerve, cell, muscle, and organ, relaxing you, feeling very calm and peaceful. As you continue to focus on this liquid light, any outside sound that you may become aware of will simply help you to relax more and more. That liquid relaxation is now spreading down through your head and face, down through your neck. It seeps into your shoulders, softening all the muscles there in your shoulders. It might even feel like a great weight has just been lifted from your shoulders, relaxing you even more, sinking deeper down. The liquid relaxation now spreads from your shoulders down through your back, softening each and every muscle in your back. Now that liquid relaxation spreads from your shoulders down through each arm, down through your elbows, your forearms, your wrists, your hands, all the way down through your fingertips. So calm and so peaceful. It just feels so good to just let go and allow this liquid relaxation to spread throughout your body, through every nerve, through every cell, organ, and muscle. That liquid relaxation is now flowing into your chest, filling your heart and lungs, allowing you to breathe deeper and even more relaxed. It continues to flow down through your stomach, to your pelvis, your hips, down through your legs, all the way down through the tips of your toes. Every part of your body is completely relaxed now. In fact, your entire body, from the tips of your toes to the top of your head, is filled with this wonderful liquid relaxation, and you're feeling so calm and peaceful. Enjoying this pleasant feeling, allowing your mind, your body, your spirit to be in complete harmony, perfectly relaxed and calm. From this moment forward, anytime you wish to relax, you'll be able to recall this experience easily and re-experience this pleasant sensation. Now, with a deep breath, I want you to allow all feelings to now return to your body. Feeling yourself aware, and with each breath, you're feeling more alert and refreshed. Eyes wide open, fully awake. Slowly open your eyes, move around your toes, wiggle your fingers, and come back. You can do this short meditation anytime you're feeling overwhelmed or stressed. I hope the rest of your day is calm and peaceful.